Okay, good afternoon everyone and welcome to our next tutorial. We're really mindful as we're going through these life skills that as a college we ask all our student body to wear a tie in term 2 and term 3. So we thought today it might be important to just show you the different type of knots and how to go about that. So we've been lucky to have the Piers family here this afternoon, so I welcome Shane who will do the introductions.
Thank you, sir. Rightio, gentlemen. I'm going to show you a double Windsor knot this afternoon. So firstly, tie around the neck. What we're going to do is we are going to take the thick end of the tie over the tail. Okay, we've got to get the length right. Now we're going to firstly wrap around the tail, and then we're going to go up over the top on one side. Okay, and then we are going to go up and over the top on the other. Now what you will notice is we should have a nice V here. Okay, so the two sides overlap and we have our V here, and then all we need to do is take our tie around. Okay, we come up underneath and we pull it through. Now before we pull it too tight, we might just need to tidy up a little bit of the knot there. Okay, now gentlemen, this double Windsor will give you a nice thick knot at your neck. Okay, so a little bit of a tightening up there, collar down, and look at that.
Wonderful, the Piers family. Put your hands together.
Rightio, gentlemen, and I'm going to show you another knot now. This is a lot simpler for you, so once again, tie around the collar, okay, even it up, and all we do for this one is we take the thick end of the tie around, okay, up and through the loop, and then straight back through itself, okay. A lot easier, and it's important, boys, to remember that when we tighten our tie, okay, we should have the tie around about the height of the belt buckle. Okay, as you can see, that's probably a little bit long. Okay.
Okay, boys, just some tips. You may notice Mr. Piers on most days wears a tie pin. The tie pin is basically just to hold the two ends of the tie together. And in actual fact, you then use it to also clip into your shirt. So when you're leaning over a fountain or whatever, your tie's not dipping into your soup or into the water or whatever the case may be. So tie pins are quite handy as well. Sometimes that, depending on the first knot, which Sir showed you, that's what he's wearing at the moment. And the second knot being what we had on Nate, you'll find that at the back you've got some loops. If you're using the second knot, you can actually feed your tail through that little pocket there, which will also hold them together. So just a couple of things to remember about your ties. Thank you.